Welcome to Kwikset's SmartCode 917 electronic lever unboxing. Exterior keypad. Deadbolt interior. Interior battery cover. Latch with rectangular faceplate. Latch collar, if needed. Spindle. 2 standard Kwikset keyway backup keys. Round corner strike. SmartKey rekey instructions. SmartKey Learn tool. Screws required for installation. Note the battery set screw. Batteries are included. Allen wrench or lever installation. 2 reversible levers. Installation and user guides in both English and Spanish. Drilling template. And that's all. It's time to unbox your SmartCode 917 electronic lever.